How to place trade on MetaTrader 5. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to place a trade in MetaTrader 5. In order to do it, so first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your MetaTrader account first of all. After which, you want to go ahead and select the instrument from your market watch window. Then you want to just right click and select the chart window. After which you want to click new order to open the order window. Then you just want to go ahead and choose a lot of size, that is volume, a stop loss, and take a profit as well. Then you just need to click on sell by a market. Then after that you'll be able to place a trade on MetaTrader 5. Likewise, you follow the on-screen prompt that has been mentioned there. Then you'll be able to place a trade on your MetaTrader 5. With this, we've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.